be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Home Depot credit card accounts. All right. So Home Depot is basically a place where you guys can buy like home repairing instrument, just like furnitures over there, or like carpentry instrument like hammer, nails, and other stuff. Right. And let's say you guys have a credit card account of Home Depot, then you guys can log in into it by watching the video, because you are watching this video because you do not know how to log in into it, and I'll be showing you the steps in easy way. Search for Home Depot credit card login. Sorry, my home's spelling is a mistake. I'm just gonna write Home Depot credit card login and click on the first option over here where it says city related service.citibankonline.com, and it's gonna take you over here. Now once you're over here, you're at the page of Home Depot credit card login. You can even see a credit card picture over here. Over here you need to enter your user ID. So I hope you enter your user ID, because if you don't, you can always click on retrieve user ID to recover it as well. But if you remember it, you can type it over here. And where it says passport, you can enter the password of your account over here as well. And if you don't remember it, you can always click on reset passport to recover your passport as well. Alright. So enter your user ID and passport and click on sign on. And you should be able to log in into your Home Depot credit card account. And if you want to register your card, let's say you have a card and you want to register it, you need to click on register your card. And it's going to take you to the page where you guys can register your Home Depot credit card. Alright. So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your Home Depot credit card account as well as register it.